welcome to my channel. I'm Joe. I go by that 1320 chick online, and in this video I'm doing something totally different. I went to Motorbella, and if you've never heard of that, like many have not, it is an outdoor auto show experience, and it's the first like this in the country. So I was really excited when Bill Brown Ford, one of my sponsors, asked me to go and check it out. So in Detroit, in the last 2 years, we have not had an auto show due to the pandemic, and they were moving it from January to the summer. So the pandemic hit in the process of doing that, and then we didn't have one in 2020, and then this year got canceled as well. So M1 Concourse and Suburban Collection decided to do something instead to fill the void of Detroit not having one. So I'm not really an auto show person, but because it's such a new experience, I wanted to check it out. So I'm going to show you guys the Ford display, GM display, FCA I think we checked out, and then some exotics that you don't normally get to see. And let me tell you, I was very impressed, so I can't wait for you guys to see this. And thank you Bill Brown for including me in this experience. So I'll catch you there. Yeah, let's go see what this is. This would be cool to do. I think the Tundra is brand new. They just released it. Yep. I watched on TikTok. Oh, a Bentayga. I want one of these so bad. When I tell you I was stunned and in utter awe to see a Celine S7, you have no idea. I have wanted to see one of these cars my whole life. So I was very, very excited to be able to see this thing. I know everyone thinks these are fairly goofy, but I love the look of these. They are so cool. That, my favorite Ferrari. Why there's a Hummer, I don't know. Oh, so Italian. All this was set up on the track, so we were going into what's typically like a burnout pit, heading down into seeing Ford and FCA. We checked out the Grand Wagoneer, which is gorgeous inside, but not my favorite outside. I think the Grand Cherokee turned out being a little bit better looking, but that's just my opinion. Don't come at me. It's beautiful. I would totally drive the Grand Cherokee. I don't know as much about the Grand Wagoneer, but I was really excited to see this RTR Bronco. It looks like they actually lowered it a little bit, so that was unique to see. And it's absolutely beautiful. So this was a whole Bronco display, so we got to see Ford and all their new cars, as well as this beautiful old Bronco. So I was really excited. Unfortunately, due to the weather conditions, we're not going to be able to do the Bronco ride, so I'm a little upset about that, but you can see that it's kind of crappy looking outside. We're supposed to have bad weather for the rest of the week, but it is supposed to be really nice for Bowling Green next week, so I'm excited. Hopefully the car will get a little faster in the cooler weather. But we'll show you a little of the exhibits that are still going, and then head out. So I'll see you in a bit. Oh, it's definitely like not as small as I was expecting. This little bougie brown interior too. It's so cute. All right, the back is the Tesla. someone left a nice flyer. I kind of like it. I would daily this. Oh, not what I was expecting. Haha, yeah, I did just say I want a Supra. I think they're really cool. The ladies I was with had never been to M1 before, so we walked over to the garage so I could show them the experience and what it is. Basically, the owners buy one, they can leave their cars there, and then they have privilege to the track, so it's almost like a marina where you can't live there. I stopped and looked at these Polestars because I just think they're awesome. They're electric, and they're based off a Volvo platform from what I'm understanding. Hopefully they bring a dealership to Michigan so we can check them out a little closer. But this is what really stopped me in my tracks. I spoke with the owner for a few minutes, and he told me he bought the last 30 chassis from Ford when the 04 was being discontinued, and he put a 5.2 in it with a sequential. So I'm hoping to catch it next summer when he goes out on the track with it. It was totally badass, and I'm so glad he explained it to me. So as I was editing, I realized that my outro had copyrighted music in it, so I wasn't able to use that. But I just wanted to say thank you guys for all the support and checking out my videos. Thank you to Bill Brown for taking me there and getting to see this experience before the public got to. Very fun. I also mentioned that the weather was going to be okay for Bowling Green. It's going to be hit or miss because I'm putting this out now before Bowling Green. I'm really excited to check it out there. So if you're going to be in Bowling Green, let me know. I can't wait to see you. It's for Holly Ford Fest, NMRA. It's going to be about 20 degrees cooler than I ran a PB here in Michigan, and the DA is going to be about 1,000 to 1,500 less. So I'm really excited. The car should be running really well. I've been driving it around town, and the shifts are crispy, on the money every time, and the car sounds way better since I redid the exhaust. So I'm going to show you guys what it sounds like now, and on our way to Bowling Green, and I can't wait. So I will talk to you guys in Bowling Green.